What's up everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Pinata pinning services. So what is Pinata? Pinata is an IPFS or interplanetary file system provider, which is basically a service that allows you to store your files in a distributed way so that it's more secured. Now to create an account or get started, you can log in if you already have an account or click on get started right here. And here all I need to do is to sign in or create an account. So I'll need to create an account by entering my email, first and last name, and then a password. Okay, and once I entered all my information, click on sign up. Then I need to verify my account. They sent me an email to verify it. So I'll go to my inbox and click on verification link. And then I'll be redirected to the plans page where I can select my plan. So here I have the free plan and the picnic and the fiesta. You can go ahead and go through all the features to decide which is best for you. For this video, I'll go with the free plan here, and then I'll just select my role. Here, let's say I'm a founder. Let's say gaming, and then how did you hear Google? And now let's build. And here I'm redirected to my main dashboard where I can drag files here or click to choose files to upload them to the IPF service. And here I can view my files, my gateways, my frame analytics, and my analytics. And as a developer, I can view my API keys right here and access controls. Now let's try uploading a file by clicking on upload right here. You can upload a folder or a file. Let's click on file, click to upload a file. Now let's select a random image right here to upload it. And here you can change the name and then click on upload. And the image now will be uploaded to the IPF service. And once it finishes uploading, it'll be stored safely on Pinata's IPF service.